At nagbabalik po ang Kada Umaga at kasama na natin ulit for kwentuhan ang ating on-stage performer this morning. Walang iba kundi Alex Vasquez. Hello!
Hi, Alex!
Ayun, welcome back to me. Ayan, hi mga Kada. Thank you so much for having me again. Kada Umaga. Ayan, na-miss ko dito.
Yes! Missed you here. We loved having you here.
Thank you so much.
Kamusta naman si Alex? Okay, syempre.
Okay na okay,
Okay na
talaga.
okay.
Okay
Like
na
after
pala.
that performance, okay na okay.
At ito nga kanina, pag-usapan natin yung performance mo. Kwentuhan mo naman kami tungkol saan ba yung kanta na yun at kanino mo dinedicate?
Litong Lito, it's actually one of my singles from last year. And it's about being confused about your feelings towards someone, di ba? Yeah, so like litong-lito, as we all know, litong-lito, parang nalilito ka if gusto ka rin ba ng tao kasi feeling mo gusto mo na rin siya eh. So parang di mo na, nalilito ka na kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa inyong dalawa, between the two of you.
So,
ayun.
develop na yung
Yeah.
feelings.
Wow.
Last year ba, litong-lito ka rin ba, Alex?
Yes, I was gonna
That
ask if it's
time?
based on experience.
Oo.
Actually, in denial ako with that song na parang sinasabi ko, hindi ko kwento to, kwento to ng other friend
Other
other people. Pero in totoo, since tapos naman na to, yes, it was my story.
Hindi ka na nalilito ngayon.
Hindi na ako nalilito kasi wala naman na yung tao.
Ay!
Wala na yung
Ito
tao.
talaga. Reveal na lang kaya, sino ba?
Last year pa yun eh, wag na lang.
Wag na, pass na kasi.
Oo, baka
pass
masaya na yung tao ngayon.
Sigurado na ngayon hindi na nalilito. At
Yes.
eto naman, Alex, balita namin ay may pinagdadaanan ang karamdaman ng iyong mom. Ano ba yun? May ginawa mo ba
yeah.
yung mga songs for her?
Actually, yeah, meron akong ginagawang isang song pero still in the process. And yep, my mom is currently undergoing medical treatment
Oh,
with
yes.
because of her follicular thyroid cancer. Ayun.
Oh,
And,
wow.
yeah.
But I'm sure pag pinapakinggan niyo yung mga songs mo, sobrang matutuwa yun at gagaan
Yes,
yung
super
feeling niya.
proud.
Yes.
Ano ba yung gusto mo, for sure manonood si mommy, ano ba yung gusto mong maramdaman niya pag narinig niya yung mga songs na ginawa mo?
Asan yung, well, mommy, sana magustuhan mo yung mga songs na ginagawa ko and also whenever I perform. Actually, my mom is very supportive of me.
Yes.
So talagang, kung kaya niya pupunta siya. Like when I started doing gigs talaga,
Yes.
way back 2018 nung college ako, talagang pupunta siya sometimes.
Present the present.
Yes, pero kasi sometimes may mga hinahandle na business, so
yes.
talagang sometimes hindi siya nakakapunta. Pero still, pinapanood niya lagi sa kwarto niya, sa TV niya. Nakikita ko siya, pinapanood niya yung mga performance ko, replays talaga.
Perfect
Ayun,
naman yun. At
yes.
ngayon nandito ka naman, for sure makikita yan ni mommy. Kantahan mo naman siya at parinig kami. Gusto namin marinig. Kahit konti.
Oh,
Kahit konti.
ano bang song namin ng mommy ko? Siguro kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap ko.
Oh, I love
For
that.
sure, your mom is so proud of you all the time.
Yes.
So you would say she was one of the biggest supporting pillars in your musical journey.
Yes, of course. Yun, talagang si mommy. And of
Oh.
course, si daddy and my siblings as well.
Wow, very supportive family for sure.
Yes,
Very
at-
proud.
For sure, super proud talaga yan sila. At eto lang din, Alex, eto ba yung pagkanta mo? Is this something na ever since before papagkabataan mo, ginagawa mo na? Or bigla ka na lang na-realize na, okay, I wanna sing?
Actually, yeah, talaga kasi laking church ako eh. So, in our church talaga, talagang pinasok kami sa Sunday school and then the kids will perform, will dance, will sing. And ayun, talagang doon ako nag-start pero nawala ako sa music after college ko. Kasi after college ko, nagigigs ako like sa mga food parks, mga coffee shops, nag-acoustic sessions ako. Pero ayun, nawala ako sa music because nawalan ako ng confidence talaga. Kasi parang tumaba ako, tapos feeling ko nagka-breakouts ako, na parang nawalan ako ng confidence to face the camera. Pero 2023, nakabalik naman ako sa music because may naniwala sa aking mga managers. Ayun. So talagang
so nice.
kinuha nila ako and minotivate nila ako to train more, to train harder.
Yes, and I'm sure this is meant for you talaga. Look at you, andito ka na naman sa national TV.
Yes.
And na-mention mo nga kanina na nag-gigs ka sa school, sa streets, tumutugtog ka. Is this busking?
No, it's actually like an acoustic band and
Okay.
then
Oh.
they are
kwentuhan
getting us
mo naman
talaga.
kami sa experience na
Um,
moment.
That experience talaga, kasi that time, I chose between dancing and singing. That time. Kasi I was part of FEU Dance Company sa
Wow.
college. Yeah, I was part of FEU Dance Company. Tapos, my dad wants me to do this band thing.
Yes.
And then ako, parang sabi ko, if magte-training ako ng sayaw in the morning, tapos sa gig ng gabi, and yung pasok ko is like morning to afternoon hanggang gabi. Tapos after ko magpasok sa school, like ano na ako, gig na. So, sobrang pagod na ako.
Oo.
Yes.
Sabi ko, college ako, asan na yung social life ko? Parang I want to
Yes.
complete my college life with my friends as well,
Yes.
di ba? So talagang, nilet go ko yung isa. Which sabi ko, ano yung pipiliin ko? Dancing or singing? Well, I love both. Pero sabi ko, eto na sure. Kasi sure na to na, kasi sa dance company, like
Yes.
training and then sometimes na magkaroon ng competition.
Yeah.
Ganun. Pero sa gigs talaga, same day yung bayad, yung TF, ganun. So
Yes.
talagang,
More realistic
yes,
siya.
realistic, and hawak ko na yung TF, ganun agad.
Hawak
Hawak mo ang TF.
Hawak ko ang TF.
Oo. Tapos, eto ba yung mga, ano ba yung mga pinaka-paborito mong challenges din, Alex, throughout your career now?
Mhm.
Na
Oh.
naging tumatak talaga sa'yo?
Yes, because of course, I love your story of how you stopped for a minute because you lost
Mhm.
confidence. That's something that a lot of people can relate to and resonate
Yes.
with, but then you overcame it. So how was your experience overcoming something as detrimental, like not detrimental, but as significant like that?
Yes.
That time, siguro, that time talaga, I'm really, really thankful doon sa mga co-artists ko na naniwala sa akin. Talagang, kasi ayoko na. I just want to work behind the camera. I really wanted to be a film director.
Wow.
That's my,
wow.
multimedia arts kasi yung course ko nung college.
Okay.
Ayun. And then, yun nga, talagang, sabi ng mga friends ko, ng mga co-artists ko na, you got the talent, you also have the look. Sabi, well, so, hindi naman. Tapos sabi ko, sige, I can try. Tapos, nag-workout na ako, nung talagang lost na ako ng weight. And then, right now talaga, I'm thankful na naniwala sila sa akin, lalo yung mga manager, tapos yung mga co-artists ko. Pero right now, I'm in the era na I believe in myself na kahit wala na maniwala sa akin, as long as I know who I am as an artist, I'll still continue making music.
Yes,
Oh,
and
I
that's
love
the
that
most important
message.
part. Oo,
Mhm.
that's all you need para
Yeah.
magka-drive ka talaga sa career mo.
Yes.
And I'm sure din, Daniel, meron dyan mga nanonood. Ano ba yung mga pakonti-konting advice sa mga nagsa-start din sa music career?
Yes.
Advice. Well, ako talaga, for my experience talaga, ako still in the process pa rin ako na tinitigan ko pa rin sino pa rin ako as an artist, ina-explore ko pa rin. But kung ano yung nafe-feel mo right now, if you want to make that kind of music, do it. Whether it's acoustic, it's pop, or it's R&B, whatever music you want to produce, as long as you feel it right now, you do it. Kasi ako hindi rin ako nag-stick sa isang genre talaga. Nag-start ako as an acoustic singer before, di ba?
Yes.
And then right now, I'm pursuing the pop industry. And I'm really enjoying it because kanina nga sabi ko, namili ako between dancing and singing, but right now, I can do both at the same time. So I'm really,
Wow.
really happy about it.
I love that.
that.
And I love your journey and your story and your message because you showed that with self-love and self-belief, then you can still pursue and push through for your dreams.
Tama.
That's right.
Yes, but now we have a short playtime. Are you
Wow.
ready? Before we
Alright,
let
let's
you
go.
Oo.
Syempre, we
Okay,
have to
what
play
kind
a
of
little
game? Let's
bit.
go.
So for our playtime, this is gonna be a Guess the Music challenge. So, at dahil paborito niya ang music artist na si Sarah Geronimo,
Oh.
we're gonna challenge natin siya kung mahuhulaan niya kaya ang mga kanta niya.
Yes.
So,
Yan,
Are you ready?
Ready ka na ba?
I'm more than
And then
ready.
you
If
have
it's
to
Sarah G
sing.
songs, I'm
Oh.
more than ready for this.
Okay,
then
let's
once you guess
go,
the song,
Kuya,
you sing it. Ready? First song.
Kuya Chris.
Am I gonna say the title? Or am I gonna sing it?
Title, then sing a little.
Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot.
Wow, Talaga namang fan talaga ni Sarah G.
Perfect.
Ayun. So, yun yung title, Ikot-Ikot.
Ikot. At ang sagot mo ay tama.
Yes.
Alright.
Kuya Chris, second song please.
Naubusan ka ng oras, pwede ba humili isa pang araw na ikaw lang ang kasama? Ang taas ang panahon.
Let's go!
Di sapat ang meron tayo ngayon. Pwede ba humili isa pang araw?
Title!
Wow!
Isa pang araw.
Tama!
Perfect!
Grabe, ang galing niya, Jazz.
2 out of 2 so far.
Yes, and now
Now.
we have our last song.
Nakabahan ako ba?
Kuya
Sobrang hirap.
Chris, please.
Parang alam nating lahat to.
Back up mo kami dyan.
Nakapiling ka't kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo. Kapit ka ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mamata ang tala. Uaningin na yung mga matay, nahanap ko sa mga tala.
Title?
Let's say it together. Tala!
By Sarah Geronimo. Thank you so much, Alex,
Nice.
sa
I love
pagiging
that.
game mo at sa pag-perform
Thank
mo
you
sa
so
ating show
much.
today. At maraming salamat talaga sa'yo. At ngayon naman, ito na yung oras para i-promote mo yung social media accounts at mga upcoming gigs mo.
Alright, ayun. Again, thank you so much, Kara Umaga, for having me today. I'm really, I'm happy whenever I perform here. Talagang sobrang saya ko. And ayun, guys, please do follow me on all of my social media accounts. That's at Alexander M. Vasquez or simply Alex Vasquez. Ayan, and please do stream all of my song. That song that I perform, it's out on all music platform. That's Litong Lito. And I have many more songs to show to you guys. And also, I have an upcoming single.
Yes, go ahead!
And I'm really happy. Sana makabalik ako dito to promote it again.
Please,
Yes,
for
please
sure,
come back.
gugustuhin namin yan.
Yes, that is my first, my upcoming single is gonna be my first dark pop. So I'm really excited to work with it and to share it to you guys. The title of that is Mascara. It's about those people who are hiding with from their masks.
Ooh,
so
amazing.
Very
talaga-
interesting. We cannot
Yes.
wait to hear it, Alex.
Yes.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you so much
At
as
maraming
well.
salamat din, Kuya Chris. Napakagaling talaga.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.